Plumbing fixtures are the most frequently used components of any home. While they are built to last, they eventually reach a point where they no longer function efficiently. Recognizing the early signs of wear can prevent unexpected leaks and help maintain the overall integrity of your kitchen and bathroom systems. Visible corrosion or mineral buildup is a clear indicator that an upgrade is necessary. If you notice a greenish-blue crust or white calcium deposits around the base or the spout that cannot be cleaned away, the internal metal is likely deteriorating, which can eventually lead to cracks and water damage. Persistent leaks are more than just a nuisance. They are a sign of internal mechanical failure. When a faucet continues to drip despite replacing washers or cartridges, it often means the valve seat itself is worn out. In these cases, replacing the entire fixture is a more cost-effective long-term solution than repeated repairs. Modern fixtures are significantly more water efficient than those manufactured just a decade ago. Upgrading to high-efficiency faucets and showerheads can reduce your home's water consumption by as much as 30%. These newer models use advanced aeration technology to maintain strong water pressure while using less total volume. Internal mineral accumulation can cause a noticeable drop in water pressure. Over time, sediment from the water heater or hard water minerals can clog the narrow channels inside a fixture. If your water flow has become weak or erratic, and cleaning the aerator doesn't help, the internal blockage is likely permanent. Upgrading fixtures is one of the most effective ways to increase your home's resale value. Kitchens and bathrooms are the primary focus for potential buyers. Replacing outdated, tarnished, or mismatched hardware with contemporary finishes creates a polished, well-maintained appearance that appeals to modern tastes. Technological advancements have introduced touchless and smart fixtures to the residential market. These upgrades offer enhanced hygiene by reducing the transfer of bacteria and provide greater convenience in the kitchen, allowing you to activate the water flow with a simple wave of the hand or a tap of the wrist. Outdated fixtures may not be compatible with modern plumbing standards or aesthetic trends. If you are replacing a countertop or a sink, it is the ideal time to upgrade the hardware. Older fixtures often have different mounting requirements that can lead to installation challenges or leaks if forced into new surfaces. Chronic moisture under the sink is a red flag. Often, a failing fixture will leak from the body down into the cabinet rather than through the spout. This hidden moisture can cause wood rot, mold growth, and damage to your cabinetry before it is even discovered by the homeowner. Environmental sustainability is a major benefit of new plumbing hardware. Many contemporary fixtures are designed to meet strict environmental standards, helping to conserve local water resources. By choosing eco-friendly options, you reduce your environmental footprint while also lowering your monthly utility bills. When you are ready to transform your kitchen or bathroom, Black Mountain Plumbing is here to provide professional guidance and flawless installation. We help you select the best fixtures for your specific needs and ensure your San Diego home benefits from peak plumbing performance. Contact us today to schedule your upgrade.